Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to fix trouble signing on your PlayStation app. Now if you are facing the issue of signing in if you are facing the issue while trying to log into your PlayStation app, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to fix the issue, you may simply open the PlayStation app on your device. So if you have not installed the app, then you may simply install it from App Store or Play Store on your device. So after that, open the PlayStation app, and to fix it you may simply fix it from a PlayStation app. And here you will see the option of trouble signing in at the very top of the sign in page. Now this takes you to the another page. From here you may select the country where you are from. So let's say if I am from United States, I need to click on the option of United States, and it takes you to the next page where you will be able to see the app interface on the website. Now from here you may click on the option of sign in at the very top right, and from here you may enter the password of your account, and you may also enter the password to your page. And if it is still not helping, then make sure to go on settings on your iPhone, and under settings you need to click on the option of general, and under general click on the option of iPhone storage. So here you need to find the PS4 app. So scroll down and click on the option of show all. So scroll down and here it is the app. So here you will see the option of offload app and delete app. So click on the option of offload app, and now click on the option of offload app again. So by offloading the app, it will help you to fix the errors or issue which you are facing while trying to log in on your PS4 app. So that's it. That's how you can solve the issue on PS4 sign in. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.